little update on the guppy pond tubbing 2022. It's June 6th. Mild day, probably be in the mid to upper 70s, mostly cloudy. Maybe some showers, thunderstorms later. 20-gallon muck bucket. That's about 18-gallon muck bucket. I put the solar guy in here for a little bit and the sun was out. Now the sun has kind of gone behind the clouds. I want to get some circulation in this tank for a little bit. It's getting quite a bit of algae, and I figured the minnows would appreciate the move. And if you might be able to see them in there, quite a bit of glare, it's hard to tell. But with it being cloudy, the solar's not working that well. 40-gallon with the females, female pregnant, females also in here that are not pregnant. Also some fry. Actually moved in 11 last night, mainly to keep a few from this batch if this does not work well. As you can see, it's uncovered, so alien life forms can get in here. Well, the guppies are the aliens here, so like aliens going into a new territory, they gotta be careful. My petunias over here are just blooming like nuts. Bought those at Ace Hardware, and they had nothing really going on. And then like, let's water it up, let's put it out in the sun, see what happens. Make it the middle feature here. Maybe get another one put next to it, put between these two tubs, add some prettiness to it. And here's the reason why I'm really doing this outside is the male guppy pond. Got them out here enjoying the outside world, the warmer temps and the live food that gets in here. And if I could sneak in on her, these inlers, I got inler females in this one. They were getting harassed big time in my smaller tank inside, so I decided to move them out here to their own, and they're probably hiding amongst the bricks there. So we're at expecting some rain today, so hopefully we can get some new water in these for these guys. Get some sun here, get these little pumps going, but I think it's going to work out pretty well. I got some floating stuff here for the babies to hide in, and honestly, these guppies really aren't doing much with them. They're not putting much effort at trying to chase the babies down like the white-tailed minnows would do in the tanks, so might get better amounts of fry coming out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and try and let these ones figure their stuff out, and if I do get a big batch again, I might end up bringing them in. And if I can zoom in on one of these guys back in the corner right there, it's one of the babies that's still out here. He's gonna be a badass because he's gonna be or she, they're gonna have street cred, or they're gonna die. Alright, there you go. Guppy Pun 2022.